This is the hack that I use to vlog. Right guys, so I've said it before and I'm never saying it again, but this is the start of the daily vlog. 1st of June, just seems like a good time to do it. Also, why is the house is finally let. We've moved into our house finally. I mean, we've been in there a little while, but it's just all getting sorted, and I feel like I've got a bit of headspace to be able to vlog, do a daily vlog, have ideas and stuff to talk about. So I want there to be, in the vlogs after today, I want there to be a bit of value in there, whether it's how to vlog or what I used to vlog, or I don't know, a little nugget of information. So that's what we're going to be doing from now on. So welcome to the vlog, finally, Hairdresser's Diaries, and we'll take you on a daily vlog. I'll take you through my day and show you exactly what we do every day. And today we're in Olney. We're going to the pancake parlour. So let's go. Come on, Rosa. Hey.
Buggy, yeah, you're gonna get the buggy.
Might get her the Maltese pancake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Is there cardigan in the car?
Yeah. So back to the car we go. I had to slam my brakes on when we were on the way, and Rosa's drink flew out of her bag, so it's in my car. So I need to go and get that, and go and get a cardigan as well. You can see here there's a market, and I've just ordered my breakfast. I'm having the OPP breakfast, which is Oundle pancake, Olney pancake parlour, I think it's called. So I'm gonna have that. Jess is ordering Rosa the Maltesers pancake. I don't know what Jess is having, but I'm really hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet, and it's all ready. I didn't put my watch on either. It's already like 10:15, 10:30, so I'm a little bit peckish. So looking forward to this. I'm gonna get it, but not gonna have mushrooms on it. Got a thing about mushrooms, can't stand them. But yeah, if you've never been to Olney, it's a little market town. So I grew up in a market town, Kettering, and I had salons in 4 market towns, and I nearly looked at a salon here, to be honest. I had, well, Kettering, Oundle, Uppingham, Market Harborough, and we looked at Olney, we looked at Stamford, but resided on them 4. But it's lovely, really nice. And what's good about it is the high street's still got shops and stuff on it, and like a lot of towns at the minute. So yeah, I'm gonna grab her bits, and then we're gonna get going. So this is my hack that you can see. I'm using the Insta360 Go 3S, just holding it on my phone with my thumb, and that's actually the on-off button as well. And people just really think I'm either on hands-free or a video call on my phone, and that's sort of deemed as normal. Whereas when you walk around with a camera, it's a little bit taboo. So yeah, when I'm walking around like this, and I've got this little camera which is shooting 4K horizontal footage, could turn it vertical, but people just think I'm on my phone. And what better way to capture it than my Ray-Ban Metas? You can see exactly POV. This is how I vlog, using my phone as a disguise for this camera.
Bye, Rosa. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you all then.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow, man. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. So we're going to give our review. Your review's going to be good, but mine's not.
What now?
Yeah, of the Olney pancake parlour, the OPP breakfast that I had. It was dreadful, in my opinion. £14, I think it was. The whole bill came to £44, and I had the OPP breakfast, which is mushrooms that I didn't ask for, but I still got them. A slice of bread, a sausage, which was quite nice actually, a poached egg, which was harder than anything I've ever had in my life, bacon, which was fattier than anything I've had in my life, and then beans. The beans, the sausage and the bread were good. Jess had what did you have?
Egg on toast.
She had an egg on toast, which the fried eggs were actually done really good, to be fair. They looked lovely. Was it?
Yeah, mine was nice. Mine was nice. The pancakes that Rosa had were delicious.
Yeah, so it's a pancake house.
Which is what it's meant to be, a pancake house. It's
Yeah.
really good at serving pancakes.
Yeah. Only. Why can't I say it? Oh, what? What's wrong with me? Only, yeah. What is wrong with me?
You're saying only.
Yeah, that's weird. I've never said that in my life. Say it again. Only. I don't know why I couldn't say that then. Pancake parlour. I would give you, if you're lucky that these two went, because theirs was good. If I'd have gone by myself, because the service wasn't great, we didn't get our cutlery.
We did get 2 lots of cutlery, but they just forgot that Rosa was there.
Yeah, they forgot to give Rosa her cutlery for hers, and then we had to go and get that, and then some spoons. We asked for a baby chair, they didn't bring that, I had to go and get that. So, if that was me by myself with Rosa, I would have given it a 4 out of 10. But, because yours was good, what would you give yours out of 10?
What, the eggs?
Yeah, like your breakfast out of 10, because then we'll come up with an average.
My breakfast. I give my breakfast like a 6.5.
Oh, see, not very good.
Yeah, but I'd give Rosa's pancake a 9.
Yeah, so Rosa's pancake were a 9, I had a bit, and they were delicious. And then mine's a 4, so I suppose that ends up at like a 6. 6 out of 10. And I would go back for pancakes. I wouldn't go back for...
Yeah, we should go back for pancakes.
Yeah, I won't go back for breakfast, because they obviously specialise in pancakes and not breakfast, and that's very apparent. So that's our rating, 6 out of 10. But if we had pancakes, it'd probably be 9 out of 10. So we know for next time.
You could get crepe as well. It's not just American style pancakes, they do crepe.
Yeah, I was just checking that was still on. Yeah, so yeah, there we go. That's our breakfast for the day. We're just heading to Asda now to the food shop, and I suppose we're going to go. Rosa was up really early this morning. Wants to do shopping. They're going to go. They're going to go and have a nap, and I'm going to go tidy my studio, ready for my new camera coming. And I'm in London tomorrow, so I'll take you on my trip to London. I'm doing something that I've never done before. I don't think I've done it before, which is really cool. So I'm going to go home and edit this now as well. So yeah, there we go. And I hope you like the hack for if you are scared of vlogging, because that hack is something that literally anybody could use. So we'll see you tomorrow.